Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is maconSTUFF. Well, it feels almost like forever since I uploaded my last video. I think it's been like 6 weeks now. Well, it seems like my channel has been cracking on nicely in my absence. When I left, I had approximately 4,800 subscribers, and as of this morning, I've just gone over 5,300. So that's in excess of over 500 subscribers that I've gotten over the last 6 weeks, which is pretty good. I'm very happy with that, especially since I haven't been uploading regularly. I apologize for that, but I did have a smashing holiday, lots of fun times with the family and the kids, definitely worth it. So that being said, I'm back and it's about time. So in today's video, I've built something that I've been meaning to do for quite some time. I needed to come up with a better solution for hanging all the keys that we have lying around the house. So currently we have this box that we store all our keys in. This was actually a gift that was made for us by a friend of my wife's a couple of years ago. So this thing has been hanging on the wall for about 2 to 3 years. The box is still in good shape, but on the verge of falling off the wall. From opening and closing the box for 2+ years, the nails have started working their way out of the wall. So before that happens, I suppose I better come up with something else. Now going into this, I knew I didn't want to make just another box. I wanted to come up with something a little different. So I came up with the idea of using magnets. I wasn't exactly sure of the shape and size and design in general, but I do have tons of offcuts and scrap lying around, so I found a couple pieces of pine lying around that I thought would be perfect for the job, and this is what I came up with. Enjoy! So there you have it. I think my key holder slash key hanger, or whatever you'd like to call it, I think it turned out pretty well. It works exactly as I expected it would, exactly as intended. It's much easier to access keys and to find them, and I'm very pleased. So before I leave you, just a quick side note. Those of you that have been following my channel for a while know that I ran a t-shirt campaign on my birthday last year in August. I ran the campaign on a website called Bonfire, and the way that they work is that you have to reach a certain number of sales before your t-shirts actually go to print, which I didn't do, meaning that my t-shirt campaign never got off the ground. So this year I discovered a new company that also does the same thing, but they work differently in the sense that they only have certain print dates. So even if only one t-shirt is sold, at the next print date they will print that t-shirt and ship it out. They do ship internationally. This is a US based company, so for those of you in the US, your shipping rates will obviously be a lot cheaper, but as I said, they do ship all over the world. So I do have two t-shirts up there. One is similar to my initial t-shirt design. It just has my logo on the front basically, and nothing on the back. And the next one is just a slogan that I came up with. It says, if you're not making stuff, you're taking up too much space. If there's any of you out there that are interested in one of these t-shirts and want to somehow support me and my channel, it would mean a great deal to me. Obviously help me out. So I'll see if I can leave a card up here with a link, as well as a link down in the description. Feel free to go check it out. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. If you really enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. If you really enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. And if you really enjoyed this video, go and purchase yourself one of my t-shirts. And if you really enjoyed this video, think about supporting me on Patreon. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. So till next time, keep making stuff.